Hello everyone, I am R. Sami, Assistant Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about the computer-aided drafting laboratory, experiment number 6, create the 2D sectional view of knuckle joint. Okay, now let's go to AutoCAD software. This is the AutoCAD software, 2024 version. Okay, before drawing the knuckle joint, the and we have to know very well. So these are the parts of the knuckle joint. This is fork end, this eye end, this is top end. These five parts are the uh, main components of the knuckle joint. Before that, first we have to fork end. Fork end distance we have to measure. This is the center line. From the center line, that here one center line. Center line is there. First of all, we have to draw the center line. Before we have to draw the center line, uh, uh, we have to draw the different layers. Okay, for the different parts, we have to prepare the different layers. Uh, different layers. Okay, in this case, we have to draw the okay. Whenever start the AutoCAD, we have to set the limits, units, and the zoom commands. Already we discussed very well. Okay, in this case, first of all, we have to draw the center line to draw the fork end. Uh, enter. Okay, next, first we have to draw the fork end. First of all, we have to draw the center line. For center line purpose, we have to select the center line layer. Okay, we select the center line layer. Here, the center line layer also in a center. Okay, we select the line, click this line to another point. For straight end purpose, we type the click the ortho. If we ortho mode is on, the line is in straight condition. Okay, we draw the center line. Next we have to draw the another one, vertical center line. Okay, then click enter. Okay, these two center line we have completed. Next, another we have to draw the 30 mm center. Okay, we have to draw the center line from 30 mm from this center. Okay, then for that purpose we have to select this, take the offset. We provide the value 30 mm. Click enter. In leftward direction we have to click. Then click enter. Next, we have to select the uh, fork end. Fork end we have to select. In this case, we have to the layer continuous. Okay. In the center point, we have to draw the two circle. Okay, one is the inner circle 28 diameter, and then another circle 32 radius. Okay. So we go to circle, click diameter center diameter. Click the center point diameter. We provide D enter, and the diameter inner diameter 28. We provide the 28 value, then enter. Next we have to click this circle and center radius, then click the center point, and radius value we provide 32 and type enter. Okay, next we have to draw this distance. Okay, from the center point, its radius is 24. So from this line we have to take a 24 mm set. Okay, from this line we have to take it offset in 24 mm distance. 24 mm distance, and click OK. Now is the line. So we have to draw the line command. We have to draw the line command. Mm, click this. Click the point. Click from this point to horizontal line to here. Next, the height of the line is 18. So we have to draw the upward distance 18 and press enter. Next, we have to draw the line to this point. Next, click enter. The same way we have to draw the next. We have to draw the line command. Okay, click this point and click here and draw the 18 mm, and also click this point and also draw the line in this point. Okay, now we complete. Next we have trim the unwanted lines. Okay, just escape the command, just type tr enter. Now we have to trim the lines. Okay, trim this line, this line, next this line, and this line. That's all. Next, press escape, and then I click this point and delete this arc. Okay, now we finished this portion. Now we finish this portion. Okay, next we have to draw this hole. Okay, the diameter of the hole is 24 mm. So from this diameter 24 means offset. Okay, here one of the here we want to move this portion. Okay, move this portion in the correct way. Select and uh, move command. Click this point and this point. Okay, now the portion is corrected. Okay, next we want to draw these holes. Okay, here the diameter of the hole is 24 mm. We have to draw one line from this point to this point and click enter. Next we have to take this point in offset in left side 12 mm. Type okay, we draw the offset. Okay, select this point. Okay, we have to select this point, take offset 24 mm diameter means we provided 12 mm. Type enter in leftward and so click this point in rightwards. Okay, and then click escape. Just click this point and delete. Next we want to select these two lines and take mirror. Okay, from this point to this point, from this point to this point and click enter. Now we finish these portions. Next we have to draw this portion. So we have to draw this line from the center. From this line we have to draw the line 104 mm distance. Okay, for that purpose we want to take offset. Okay, we select this line and take offset. Offset distance is 104 distance and type in left direction. Click here. Next, press enter. Here the diameter of the shaft is 28. Consider here the diameter is 28. We want to draw the line. 28 means we want to draw the line line in 14 mm in above and 14 mm in below. So select this line. Click this point in above 28 means we have to draw the upward line in 14 mm and click here, and then we have to draw the line here, and then finally we have to trim. Okay, no problem, just draw the line like this. Next draw this line and take mirror uh, from this point to this point we want to take. After that we have to trim. Escape, type tr and enter. We have to trim this line and this line. Okay, next we want to take offset. Okay, we want to take offset. For that purpose we have to try a click yeah, we have to take a chamfer fillet. Okay, we want to fillet here. So we click the fillet and click this point and this point. Okay, here we want to give the radius. Control is set. Control is set we have to draw. Before that we want to take a fillet and type R radius value. Here I provide a radius 8. Okay, radius 8. I provide this point and this point. Okay, that's all. Now in this area we want to need a fillet, so we have to select this portion. You have to just click and select and take mirror. Okay, here click this point to this point. Okay, now click enter. Now we have to trim this excess line. So in this case we have to type tr and enter. So trim this line. Okay, now we have to uh, draw the spy lines. Okay, here we have to draw the spy lines. So in this purpose just escape, just in draw command we select various spy lines. We select here spy line. Select this spy line and okay, click and draw the spy lines. In this case we have to off the ortho mode. Click here, and also we want to click this point. Okay, now we have to choose spline. We have to choose this type of spline. Click this point and click here and uh, click here, 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 click here. Then type enter. Now, if we any adjustment means we can adjust. We just click and adjust the spline. Okay, okay, adjust the spilines. Okay. Mm, now we finish the spline and this portion we finished and this portion we just okay in this portion we finished. Just we select and if we just move in some distance. There is no dimension, so move this point for straight line purpose. We use here. I choose here. Okay, now we finish. Next we want to take the offset. Okay, offset for that purpose we select this line. Take the offset in 8 mm below, in 8 mm inside and also 8 mm in this side. Next we want to draw the line. In this case we have to click the line and click this point and this point, enter. Next again we go to line command. For reference this line, click here and click here and enter. Now we want to take fillet. Okay, in this case we have to fillet. Select the fillet here, select the radius or enter. We provide the value 8 because we take the offset 8 mm, then only we provide the 8 mm radius. Select this point and then select this point. Then we have to type enter. We want to click this point and click this line and click this line. Now we finish this portion. And we want to draw like this. That purpose we have to select the tangent radius circle. So select the tangent radius. We zoom. Click this line. Click this line. Click this line. The tangent circle radius come. Again we want to draw the tangent radius. Press enter. In this case we select tangent radius, click this line and click this line, click this line. Next we select the tangent radius, select this line, select this line, select this line. The tangent radius was created. Next we want to trim the unwanted lines. Just go to trim and trim the unwanted lines. Next we zoom and also we have to trim these lines also we have to trim. Okay, that's all. Okay, we finish this diagram. After we want to okay, that's all. We finish this diagram. Next we have to draw the shaft here. See the diagram and this diagram here shaft diameter is 25 but length is they didn't provide. So in this case we have to draw the approximate length of the shaft. We click this point. Okay, we have to draw the line command. I click the line command. From this point we have to draw the shaft here. Okay, the diameter of the shaft is here 25. We select this point and take the offset. 25 means 12.5. 12.5. Type enter, take offset. The same way we have to click in loop. Next we want to draw the line. For line command type here and enter. Click this point to this point, type enter. Next we want to draw the sectional cross sectional shape. So that purpose we want to go to arc. We want to start end radius. So in this case start point, end point, radius the radius of the shaft is 12.5. I provide the 12.5 mm radius. The arc was created. Next we select this arc and take mirror. I click this point to this point. The mirror was created. Then type enter. I want to mirror these two arcs. Select these two arcs and take mirror and click this point to this point. Then I want to mirror the two arcs. Next, I consider the shaft, the upper portion only hatched, the remaining lower portion. This portion was we don't need, so it's selected delete. So this line also we don't need, so select and delete. So in this case we want to, next we want to hatching the component. Okay, hatching the component for hatching purpose. Okay, all the components are we have completely. Next we want to hatching. In this case we have to minimize the center line. We have to off the center line. We off the center line. Next we click here. Next we go to hatch command. We select the hatched area. Okay, this portion and this portion and this portion and this portion. We select and hatch. Okay, in this case the portion we want to select ANSI 31. Okay, in this case we want to select. So if we node, if you don't, if we come, if any problem is, just go and again we select the hatching. We want to hatch this portion and this portion, this portion. Okay, okay. Here some gap was there, so we change the angle. So at the time we change the scale. So at the time the value will be changed. We provide 10. Okay. Next we want to provide 20, 25. Okay, in this case the hatching was happened. Okay, if you zoom means it will create it. Okay, no problem. It's a normal. Okay, next we have to control set. Okay, now the hatching portion was completed. Next, delete once again. I delete, and then I want to hatch here in same. I select the pattern. Select this pattern. Select this pattern. Okay, no problem. Now I hatch the object. Close the hatch creation. Next, I want to enable the. Next, I want to activate the center line. All the center lines are created. Next, just I want to select this line and delete it. Now, now we finish the fork end of the knuckle joint. Just we select this portion. Okay, just we select this fork end and also just move from one move away from the drawing area. Just I move and keep that. Next we want to draw the eye end. So eye end we have to consider the diagram. The length 86 from this point, the radius 24. 86 plus 24 110. The thickness is here. See the radius. The thickness is 28. Okay, the thickness, the height of the breadth is 28. Length is 110. So we have to draw the rectangle in this case. In this case we have to draw the line. Okay, just okay, we type yes, then we go to change the layer. Here we want to select the um, eye end. Okay, in this case we want to click the line for 110. Okay, 110. Then we have to draw the downward line. Here the downward line is 28. 28. Next we have to draw the leftward line, and this also in 28. We have to draw the line. The leftward line, control is set. Leftward line is 110. Okay, 110. Enter. And upward line is 28. 28 and enter. Okay, now we have to draw the okay, we have to draw the center line from the end 86 mm. So we have to select this line and also take the offset from this point to 86 mm. So click 86 offset. Okay, we have to take this line. Okay, in this area 24 mm diameter hole is there. From this point we have to take offset to 12.5. So we have to take 12.5 mm offset. 12.5 mm offset in rightward direction, and also we have to draw the 12.5 mm offset in leftward direction. We just escape. Now we select this line. We now we have to select this line and draw like this. Okay, now this line we change the center line. Okay, change in center line per. Okay, no problem. Just select this line and change the center line. Okay, select this line and this line in center line. Okay, no problem. Okay, change this line in center line. Oh, no problem. The I end. Okay, this portion we completed. Next, we want to draw this portion. Already we draw in. Yeah, okay, in this portion we have to draw. Okay, we have to select this portion, this portion, this portion, this portion, this line. Next, this. Okay, this line we don't need. Okay, this line we don't need. Just escape, shift and escape. Okay, next this line, this line, this line. Okay, next one, next this line. Okay, that's all. These all are the we have to mirror these selected points. We have to mirror. Okay, that's all. We want to mirror this portion. So third portion we have to mirror. Just select mirror and press from this point to this point. Click this point to this point. Press enter. Now the rectangle was there. Now we want to select these all are the these all are the I end components. So we have to select this portion and match properties. Match these all the components. Okay, now we change the I end components. Select this portion. Now we move type M and enter. Select this point and this component from this place to this place and keep here. Keep. We want to click this point. Okay, now we finish this portion. Next we want to draw the shaft. Already we complete the shaft, so we have to draw the shaft. Select this shaft. Okay, this point, this point. Next this point. We have to finish it. We have to complete at this point. Okay, center line we don't need it. Escape the inner line, this inner line. Okay, okay, this inner line, this line, this line. Okay, this line. Okay, these all are we have to mirror. Okay, these all are we have to mirror. We select this line and okay, we have to go to mirror command and click this point. Click from this point, from this. So all the portions are selected. We set. We want to select this portion, this portion, this portion. And we set. We want to select this portion. Next, this portion. Center line we don't need. Okay. Okay. Next, we have to select here, here. Next, here this portion. Just mirror. Okay. Mirror. Select the mirror. Click this point to this point. We select the ortho mode. We are on the ortho mode. Now click this point and type enter. Now this portion was created. Next we have to select this point, this component, this portion. Select, select. Now we want to select this portion. Now we will have to move. Okay, just type M and enter. Click this point. From this point, we have to move the component. We now off the ortho command. Here go and click here. Okay, now we want to delete these lines, this line, and also draw in these lines. Now we have to change the match properties. We want to match the properties. Select this line and match properties. This line, everything in change like this. Now we want to hatching the command. In this case, in this portion we have to hatching, and in this area we want to take mirror in bottom. Okay, take this portion we have to take mirror. Okay, here uh, we have to take mirror in this component. Okay, select this point and take mirror. Okay, from this point to this point here. Okay, our ortho mode we have to. So in this shape we have to draw in downward direction and click enter. Okay, click enter. Okay, just enter. Now we want to remove the this portion. We want to remove this portion. Select and delete. Okay, select and delete. So we want to hatching. Okay, and now we go to select the hatching area. So this portion, and finally we have to select this portion. So we selected and close the hatch creation. Okay, we finish the component. So in this case we have to draw the center line. In this center line purpose, we have to go and select the center line layer. So go to line command and click the center line from this point to this point. Okay, from this point to this point, type enter. For center line we select layer type. We type select this line and go to and center line. Okay, this purpose we set here. Okay, now we have to extend this line. Okay, now we finish the eye end. So in this okay, we finish. Now we have to assemble the eye end to the fork end. Okay, now we have to reduce the center line, compress the center line. Okay, we finish everything. After that we have to select and move command, type M and enter. Move this point we have to click and move the diagram from this point to click here, click here, click here. Okay, it fitted correctly and the eye end fitted in the fork end correctly, accurately. Okay, next we have to draw the pin. The pin diameter is an upper headed diameter is 38. The thickness of the pin is 12. The thickness of the header 12. The height of the pin is 80. The diameter of the pin is 24. Okay, we draw the first of all we have to draw the reference line for center line. Okay, first of all we have to draw the center line. Okay, draw the center line first and type enter. Next we have to draw the pin, so we have to change the pin layer. So we select the pin layer. In this case we select the continuous line layer. So we have to go and click the line command. The top of the pin diameter is 38, so we have to draw the line one side line from the center 19 mm. We have to draw the downward line in 12, and then draw the line in rightward direction 38 and type enter. In upward direction 12, and the rightward direction 19. Okay, type enter. Okay, next the height of the pin is 80 mm. Okay, from the thickness of the pin also 24. Okay, in this case we have to draw the 24 mm diameter of the center pin. So first we draw the line from this point to here downward 80 mm. Okay, 80 mm. Press enter. Okay. Next the diameter of the pin is 24, means here in this side 12. Okay, in this side okay, just enter. Next escape the line command. Now we have to just delete. finish the command 80 mm. Just delete another. So first, okay, we have to draw the line from this point in downward 80. We provide enter. Next is the diameter of the pin. How much? The diameter of pin is 24. We select the offset. We select the line and take the offset from 12 mm. From this type 12 mm from rightward, and also type the line in leftward. Next we have to complete the line. Okay, here we select this point to this point, type enter. Now we have to delete this center line, deleted. Next we have to take a fillet. Okay, here we have to take a fillet. Okay, in this case fillet. For fillet where they didn't provide radius, so approximately we provide the radius. So I provide a radius 3. Okay, in this case I take a fillet here. The same way I have to fillet this point to this point. Same way we have to fillet in bottom of the pin, this point to this point. Here also we want to take fillet. Okay, for type enter, the fillet command was activated. Whenever we want to use it, we have to use it. Okay, before that, okay, in bottom fillet, before that we have to draw the taper pin hole. Okay, in this diagram, the taper pin hole from the bottom, the taper pin hole center is 10 mm. The diameter of the taper pin is 5 mm. So we have to draw the taper pin hole center. From this point we have to take offset 10 mm. So type 10, enter. In above, draw the line in above. Next we have to draw the line, take offset the diameter of the pin. Diameter of the pin 5. So we have to take offset to 2.5. Type enter. uh, select select this line, take offset, the offset distance 2.5. Okay, in above and also in below. Okay, just escape, just select this line in this is a center layer. We select this line in center layer. Now we have to change this layer type. Okay, escape. Now this is the dash line. Select this line to go on the dashed. Okay, we finish. Okay, now we complete the taper hole diameter in pin. Okay, now we finish. In this case we move this pin. Okay, we have to move this pin and assemble in um, assemble the diagram. Okay, we select this. Okay, here we want to delete the center line. Okay, here we want to delete this center line. We have to select this pin. Okay, in this case we have to set. We want to take radius in below. We will fillet. We want to take fillet in below radius. We provide r radius. We provide the distance 3. The enter. Next time to fillet here from this point and this point, and also type enter from this point and this point. We finished. Okay, just type enter. Just select this portion and move. Type move command. Enter. Next. Click the move. Okay, from the move command, he want to move, and we off the offset. Okay, we off the ortho mode. Next we fix the pin, this part, this point we have to fix. So here we want to click. Okay, the pin was fitted very correctly in the given assembly. Okay, the pin was fitted correctly with the fork end and high end. Okay, after we have to draw the collar. Okay, for collar we have to change the layer. We select the collar layer. See the diagram. The collar layer diagram, in the outer diameter 38, inner diameter hole 24. The thickness of the collar is 12. So we have to draw the collar. Okay, 30. First we have to draw the horizontal line for straight line purpose, where the length is 38. 38. Enter. In downward direction, uh, the collar thickness is 12. Collar thickness is 12. Next, in leftward direction 38. Enter. In upward direction 12. Okay, 12. Type enter. Okay, next we have to draw the center line pole. So that purpose we have to draw one line from the center point to this point. Type enter. We have to take offset. The inner hole is 38 diameter. 38 sorry 24 diameter. So 24 means we have to take offset. We have to delete. Okay. We have to draw the line from this line, from this center point to this point. Okay, this line we want to take offset. The center hole is on the center hole is 24. Okay, 24 means we want to take 12 mm offset. Select this line and click offset 12. Enter. Take the rightward and click this point in leftward. Okay, and just escape. Okay, select this line. This is a center line. This is considered as a center line. Okay, so we want to draw a line. It's a center line. Change the layer center. Okay, no problem. We okay, no problem. We change the color. Okay, change the color by layer. No problem. By black. Okay. Okay. Now we want to draw the color. Okay, this is we have to use like by block. Okay, escape. That's all. Next, okay, now we finish the collar. So we the inner this collar we have to draw the taper hole, taper pin hole. So we have to select this portion and copy and paste. Control V. So we select this portion. We copy and paste here. Okay, we want to click here and then we want to draw this. We select and then type move, enter, click this point from this point to this point. Click here. Now we want to go to extend command. So we type extend and enter. So this line extend, this line also extend. Now we want to take trim command. So trim command, we select this line here. Here we want to trim. Now we finish the collar. Now we want to select the collar and fix in a pin. Okay, in this case we have to select the collar. Okay, we select all the collar and click. Now we want to move. Type move command. Okay, in this case we click this point. We click this point and move the object to pin. Move the object in pin. Okay, now we have to fix here. We have to fix this point. Okay, fix this point. Now the collar was correctly fitted in the pin. Okay, okay, now we assemble fork end, eye end, pin, collar. Finally we have to assemble the collar pin, taper pin. Okay, here see the diagram. The taper diameter is 5 and length is 40. So in this case we have to select the taper pin layer. So before that we have to draw the center line. So we have to draw the center line. For center line we have to change the center line layer. So we have to draw the line, center line, so horizontal center line. So we have to ortho mode, use the ortho mode in on. So next is escape. Now we go to taper pin. Okay, we select the taper pin. So in this case we use continuous layer. So we select the diameter of the pin is 5. So we use half of the pin is 2.5. 2.5. Enter. Next type enter. Next we go to line. Click here. Okay, point. The height of the pin is how much? The height of the pin is 44. Okay, so height of the pin is 44. Type 44. Enter. And also draw the upward. Here we draw the distance 3. Okay, now I want to draw line from that point to this point. Okay, I click here. Now I want to delete this line. Now I want to select this line, and now I want to take mirror. So take mirror. I select this point to this point. The taper pin was created. Okay, in taper pin we have to draw the circle. So in this case we have to select center radius. So we have to select this point and draw the circle. The same way we have to draw the circle and click this point and click here. Now we want to mirror the unwanted lines. Okay, so we want to mirror. So we want to take a trim command. Click trim command. We have to trim the inner side circle. We have to trim. Okay, inner side circle we have to trim. Now we have to compress the center line. So we have to click this point and click here. Then we have to click this point and click here. Okay, now if you now if you see taper pin, next we have to assemble this taper pin in the diagram. Okay, we click and move. Okay, move command, enter. Okay, now we want to select this point. Okay, okay, we have to select diagram. Now we want to move this diagram, so type M and press enter. Now we want to select the center point of this component. Now I want to off the ortho mode. In this case I move this tab pin and I want to fix here. I want to fix this center point. Now the taper pin was fitted accurately, correctly fitted in the collar pin hole. Okay, the taper pin was fitted in the fitted correctly with the hole. This is a final assemble view of the nut joint. If we don't need center line means just we have to off the center line. Okay, this is a final view of the knuckle joint given diagram. Okay, this is a final view of this is a final assembly sectional assembly view of knuckle joint. Okay, if we need a dimension mean we have to measure the length, arc, diameter, whatever we need, just we measure. Okay, this is the sectional assembly view of the knuckle joint. Thank you. We will see the next diagram in next class. Okay, thank you so much.